There are 9 elements that make up the perfect tweet. So what are they all? Well, let's have a look at this tweet that I'm preparing now that includes those 9 elements. Number 1 is all about trying to front load your tweet with the correct keywords. Now, this particular tweet is all about the perfect tweet, and I have those 3 keywords or those couple of keywords front loaded at the start of this tweet. So number 2 is all about adding a image, and you can see that that'll help very much stop the scroll. Number 3 is trying to use all lower cases. It just makes it a little bit easier to read. These are the best practices that the most popular tweet all include. So you're wanting to try and have all lower cases, and you're trying to keep it less than 120 character spaces. So my whole tweet here with some extra elements is less than 120 character spaces. Number 4 is you want to add a clickable link, or a call to action, and I have both of them. Click the link to find out. So there's a call to action saying click to watch this particular YouTube video. So I have both of them. Number 5 is to add some emojis, and I've got this curious emoji saying, hey, what are the, which ties in well with the, the perfect tweet, the 9 elements. So what are they? So, an emoji or 2. Tagging someone, I have done that as well. So that's element number 6. I've tagged myself. Normally you wouldn't tag yourself, you would be tagging someone else. Number 7 is you want to add some relevant hashtags, 2 to 5 hashtags. I've added 2 very clear ones, how to tweet the perfect tweet. Number 8 is the time of day. You're trying to work out the optimal time of day to be tweeting. For myself, this is the start of Monday morning here, so I tend to get some better interaction on early tweets. So that is number 8. And number 9 is once you've posted the tweet, you then want to pin it to the top of your page. So they're the 9 elements. Let's click tweet. And there we go, the 9 elements that make up the perfect tweet. Go to the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know whether you're using some other elements that I haven't included in this video.